No leaks. This thing was just hanging out over here. This wire, so where the water brings in the hose, was just hanging out. It's supposed to go into this little, this yellow top. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, it's fixed. There's nothing leaking. It's gonna shut off. It just needs to be cleaned up back here because I made a mess. Somebody could take care of the cleaning. I went and got it. I took it apart. Put all 3 of those screws back in. Okay, you gotta be quiet now. Okay, the water stopped. Water stopped. Flush. All done. All done.